Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Linda.
Linda. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
And how are you today, Linda?
I'm happy.
Okay. So, Linda, today we have a speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's begin. So, we start with the numbers. Can you tell me, Linda, what number is it?
It's number 8.
This one?
It's number 10.
This?
It's number 6.
And what number is it?
It's number 3.
What number is this one?
It's number 5.
5. Very good. Okay, so let's move to the next one, Linda. Linda, can you tell me how many apples are there?
There are 5 apples.
And how many balls are there?
There are balls.
How many? 1, 2.
There are 8 balls.
Very good. There are 8 balls, alright? Let's move to, okay. So, Linda, can you tell me how old is he?
He is 9 years old.
And how about her? How old is she?
She is 3 years old.
Good job. She is 3 years old and he is 9 years old, right? Okay. Alright, so Linda, let's talk about feelings. Can you tell me, Linda, how are you here?
I'm cold.
Here, how are you?
I'm angry.
This one?
I'm scared. I'm happy.
And how are you?
I'm hot.
How are you here?
I'm tired.
Yeah, tired. Very good. Well done. Let's move to the next one. So, Linda, can you tell me how is he?
He is happy.
And how is she?
She is sick.
Yeah, she's sick. She looks like she's about to cough. Good. Alright, the last part, phonics. So, Linda, can you tell me what letter is it?
Letter A.
And A for?
Apple.
And
Ant.
next one, what letter is it?
It's letter B.
B for?
B for ball. And back.
Good. And last one, letter. What letter is it?
It's letter C.
C for?
C for cat and car.
Good. And Linda, do you love cats?
Yes.
And do you love dogs?
No.
No. Okay, so you only love cats. Alright, let's move to the next one. What letter is this one, Linda?
It's letter D.
D for?
Door and the rest.
Good job. And
Yes.
yeah.
It's letter E.
E for?
E for elephant and egg.
Alright, and is an elephant big or small?
Big.
Good. And what letter is the last one?
It's letter F.
F for?
Frog.
And?
Fly.
Okay, frog, alright? And how about frog? Is frog big like an elephant or small?
Small.
Yeah, frogs are small, elephants are big. Alright, so that was it, Linda. Very good job. Give me a high five. Well done. I'll see you later. Goodbye.